The cat chases the feather. It's called cat chasing feather hunt.
Where'd you get that feather?
Well, I got it from. Well, you want to know something? I had to beat up a bird. But right now it's gonna start. And starting now. You're gonna see a cat fly. Just wait. Takes a while to make her fly. She gets mad. She flies, alright. Look, she's trying to fly. She's jumping so she can fly.
You mean fly?
Yeah, she's trying to fly. Just watch.
I think that's fly jumping over there. I have my own fella.
And there she's scratching. Worst day ever. You never want a cat like this. Flying cat is the worst choice.
A flying cat's the worst one to have, huh?
No, it's the worst choice.
Don't get the ones that want to fly.
Look at that.
Mom,
Yes, princess.
I want to go
There she flew. Look, she's trying to fly right now. Whoa, looks like I whipped her too hard.
Yep, we don't whip, remember?
Goodness, I make her come back up. Just wait, I'll get her